to my channel, Rachel Reviews. We have a Wantable box. It's the Thanksgiving edit, so let's give thanks and open her up. I'm wearing this, I got this 2 years ago from Wantable, and I think this was one of the like featured ones in their Cozy Tober box. So they're still churning these ones out, but I love this sweatshirt. I love it. Okay, we're gonna open her up with our trusty rusty screwdriver. Here we go. Did you guys have a good Halloween? I posted my husband and mine's costumes. We were Beetlejuice and Lydia at the end of the movie when they're like, Beetlejuice is trying to marry her. Maybe I'll put it over here, maybe. Put a little picture up there. I did post that on my page. It was so much fun. We went to our friends. They have a palooza every year, usually in the summertime, like games and stuff, and there's teams and winners and all that jazz. And but they didn't do it in the summer this year, so we did it for Halloween. So we all dressed up. It was so much fun. Yeah. Okay. Here we are. We have our bundle. I know I talked through the opening of the box. She's a thick bundle. Look at her. She's heavy. All right. The Thanksgiving style edit. Let's read the note. So excited for you to unpack and try on all these amazing pieces. They spelled it out. It's bright in here. It's like putting this weird thing on my hair. There's so much to be grateful for, and a good fit is one of them. I made sure to include plenty of pieces that will be easy to wear throughout the remainder of the fall season. I was able to include a couple of pieces you requested through the stream. You have 5 days, blah, blah, blah. It's, you know, it's always pretty generic, I feel like. They have the mailer to send back the things you do not want to keep. First up. I don't think I like it already, but it's okay. It's navy. It does have pretty embroidery through it, but to me, this is bothering me. To me, it is giving older. I don't know. It has got some like elastic at the sleeve for some kind of flouncy little sleeves there, but to me, I don't really like it. I don't really like it, but that's okay. We're still gonna try it on. And next we have, well, She's Soft by Z Supply. She's got, it's kind of nice. This part's really soft, and this part's more like a regular kind of sweatshirty material. And then same thing at the wrists. She's very soft, and at the bottom. Hi. Very, very soft. Ooh. Some jewelry. Those are pretty. I think I requested these. These are actually really pretty. So they're just like some dangly hoops, but like emeraldy color. Those are really pretty, actually. So if all else fails, I really like those. Very festive, I feel like. With the green, very Christmassy, but also like could wear it all the time. If everything's too expensive, that might be nice. Oh, I think I requested this one too. It's just kind of like, it's a basic, but like on the weekends, I've just been wearing like sweatshirts and stuff to go like out and about and run errands and everything. So it's a hooded, thin sweatshirt with no, right? There's nothing, yeah, nothing to put like your hands in the front. So like if you wanted to do a tuck in the front, it wouldn't look awkward, you know, with that like handhold there. That's cute. I think that's a nice brown too. Usually I'm not like a brown girl, but I think this one's nice. Wait, okay. I thought it said wine, but it does, just in a different language. Vino, they know what I like. This is also by Z Supply. Very soft, very, very soft. It has like a little split hem on the side. Bigger sleeves. It doesn't like get smaller as it goes. That looks cozy. And also we have 2 pairs of jeans. We have, ooh, the Goss with some distressing at the knees. That's nice. I don't have a black pair of distressed jeans. So those are cute. And then they have the scissor hem at the bottom too. I like those. And, oh, another Vergas. And these are, they look like they're straight. Is this a straight leg or a boot cut? I don't know because I don't buy those. I buy these. I buy the skinnies. But they're dark. There's no distressing. No distressing. And they have a scissor hem as well. I guess it'll tell me what it is. Straight, cropped straight. So at least it's cropped. Very stretchy. I love the Goss. Let's try everything on. I was right. I don't like it. But that's okay. We tried it on. I don't like the color. I don't like the shape. I just don't like it. The material's so weird. Like, I feel like if this were like a silky material or something, it would flow nicer, but it's like a thin sweatshirt material, and it just feels very cheap to me, and I know it's not going to be. You know what I mean? But the jeans are nice. The jeans are nice for being a straight. They're a little snug because, you know, winter. So I think if they had to size up, I would size up. I want you to see the bottom of them. Sorry, real time. When's the last time I said real time? There we go. So yeah, I mean, with them being cropped, I think it's nice. I think it's a good length because I'm short. And the straightness doesn't bother me so much. But yeah. Sorry the lighting's weird, but that's nature for you. Okay, let's try on more. This sweater is so soft. It's very, very soft. I think it's very cute. Pardon me. If I didn't already have a sweater that said wine on it, I would be tempted. The sleeves are pretty long. You can see where they naturally fall on my fingers. These aren't jazz hands. You get it? Bring it on. Okay. Yeah, and there's a slit on the side. I think it's very cute, very cozy. You know, a little casual, haha, Thanksgiving, vino. Yeah, very soft. Here's the back. There's the back. All right, let's do more. I do really like this one. I know it's gonna be expensive. Everything from Wantable is expensive. I say this every time. It's basic pieces. They're like $80 each. It's like, it blows my mind. But this one's really cute. I do like it a lot. The jeans are cute, also tight. I should probably just update my profile, which is fine. But there's the distressing. I think that's really cute. I love the Goss. They have a split hem at the ankle. Sorry for the lighting, I know. But I think this is a little cute casual outfit. You could dress it up with some jewelry. It's very soft. I like the, like I said, the difference in material between the bodice and around there and here, and I think it's very cute. It is very cute. Very cute outfit. Let's try on the last sweater. Here's the last sweater. I think this one's super cute. I don't have like really anything with hoods. I usually get crew necks. So I think this one's nice because it's a pretty thin material. So I think it'd be really good for layering too. Like you could put, hi. The hood's very big. You could put like a vest over it, and I think you wouldn't like overheat or anything. I think that's really cute. I like that it has like a slight, very, very slight kind of balloon sleeve. I like the drawstring. I like the color. I think that's nice. I think it's a nice neutral. It can go with a lot of things. Okay, let's go over prices. See how much things are. It's gonna be a lot. Prices. I did also put the earrings in, if you wanna see. So they are really cute. I cleaned them. I cleaned them with alcohol. Very cute. I like the little danglies. Oh, hello. So very cute. This lighting, man. I don't know what I'm gonna do about it. It's fine. Here we go. Okay, so the earrings, they're the Venus Huggy in gold / green by Anuja Tolia for $36. The Ace High Rise Skinny with side slit in black, $78 for Vergas. Also, they got the Stevie Crop Straight in dark wash, $78. So both pairs of jeans, $78. The Russell Cozy Pullover in charcoal heather, the two-tone gray, $74 by Z Supply. The 3/4 puff sleeve scoop neck embroidered sweatshirt in navy democracy, $78. It felt so cheap, you guys. Like, Walmart has some good stuff, but it was like Walmart old school, like 90s quality. You get it. The pullover hoodie sweater in cappuccino, $59. So I already have, what, $21.20 invested in this box. So that's $38.80 I would pay for this additionally. And the Serene Vino sweater in heather black by Z Supply, $79. So I think I'm gonna keep this because I think I'm gonna get a lot of wear out of it. These two, but I've just really been wearing a lot of the gold hoops lately. Like, these are nice for fancier things, but you could probably find something similar for less, I would say. Same thing with this, you could find similar for less, but this was really soft. And it's really nice and thin, so I don't know. I don't have to justify, I like it, and that's all that matters. Okay, so the whole box, $482. If you keep 5 or more things, you get 20% off. So after my styling credit, $387.54. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna keep this for an additional $38, whatever I said. And I hope you guys liked this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already. And my referral link is down below for Wantable as well. If you made it this far in the video, leave a turkey for Thanksgiving, for the Thanksgiving Wantable style edit. And I will see you guys next time.